So let's start with social media analytics, which presumes you already have an audience to analyze. If you don't, keep this in your back pocket for when you do. Let's start with the free social media tools that are out there on platforms like Twitter and YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Twitter has some of the most fascinating and robust analytics around. They use their own data cross-referenced with data from a variety of partners. First, and many people don't actually know this, these analytics are available to everyone, whether you have a brand or just are a casual tweeter. This will open your analytics home in a new tab or window. There, you will see a 28-day summary and highlights of your most popular tweets, mentions, number of new followers, profile views, etc. But what we're really interested right now is the tab at the top of the page called Audiences. In the image on the right, you can see the Audiences tab, which defaults to an overview and provides a lot of excellent data about your audience, their interests. On to YouTube next. YouTube's analytics are pretty extensive, but more focused on content performance than on getting to know your audience, which is too bad. To access them, go to your Creator Studio by, once again, clicking on your profile image in the top right corner and choosing Creator Studio. Then click on Analytics on the left-hand column to expand the options, and then Demographics. As I said earlier, demographics aren't really very useful in my opinion. However, I can take note of the fact that my audience seems to follow similar patterns to my Twitter followers, so I can probably assume that many of my Twitter followers are also subscribed to me on YouTube, and that the audience crosses over quite a bit. Now for Facebook. It drives me kind of crazy that Facebook offers more insights to brand pages than they do personal profiles, as I do a lot on my personal profile. But moving on. When you're on your page, click on the Insights tab at the top of the page below the search bar. Then click on the People menu along the left-hand side to open up your demographics insights. Much like YouTube, there isn't much more here than the demographics information like age and country and gender. Now for LinkedIn. Different analytics are provided depending on the type of page you have, whether it is a personal profile, company page, or a group. If you are personally connected to a lot of people on LinkedIn, you should get a lot of interesting data from just your personal profile. You start to scroll down this page and see the individuals who've looked at your profile, which can be an interesting exercise in, I wonder why that person looked at my profile. Or you can look at the statistics in the overview at the top, which will show you the titles and industries of the general people that have looked at your profile. If you have a business page, just click on the Analytics tab below the company name and logo bar. If you scroll down, you'll be able to get similar demographics for your page followers. Understanding the industry that your audience is in, their seniority and job title can give you a great jumping off point for digging deeper. So now on to Google Analytics. If your website gets a good amount of traffic, Google Analytics will offer up some data on the interests of your audience. You can start to click into those categories as well to find out deeper behaviors like how much time they spend on your site, and if you have your Google Analytics set up right, whether or not they convert. This may help you understand who those valuable customers are and what they want.